The sun, sand, style, the backstage drama. More than 40 top-notch designers, one slogan, beach is the new ramp. All of this and much more have come under one roof, Gioni India Beach Fashion Week 2015.
You have like poolside shows, you have beach, you have like huge MSA, you have after parties. Our designers have some great places where they can sell and meet buyers. We have some conventions happening. We have some Sangria by the Sea where designers, buyers, media, they all meet with each other. I think it's sounding very exciting.
And we have a fashion forecast, and we have fashion forecast as well.
We have like
where
Meher Castellino who's talking about basically the trend for the next year, 2016. And
that's also going to be a great show.
Yes. So looking forward.
Looking forward.
Welcome everybody to Gioni India Beach Fashion Week 2015. It's going to be an amazing one.
This is the first time I've really come for a fashion week, but as given to know, there are participants from all over India and even outside the country. I'm sure they'll put up a wonderful performance. Goa being a beautiful place, they will enjoy themselves in Goa. Having this show, it will promote Goa to a big extent.
We see a lot of audience, we see a lot of crowd. The good part is that we've got a beautiful team this year on board, and there are more shows, but then this keeps us busy and charged up all the time. We're doing a lot of variations as compared to what we did last year. So we're playing a lot with hair and makeup. We are creating Halloween looks, we are creating zombies, we are creating hair tattoos. So you'll see a lot of variations with hair and makeup this year to what we did last year. But overall, this year is much more larger than what it was.
After the success of her collection Masti in the first edition of Gioni India Beach Fashion Week, Anupama Dayal opened this season with a splash of colors and a lot of fun prints.
The silhouettes were culled from Mughal times often, but in a very, very relevant, contemporary manner. A smaller collection, a mini capsule collection of just very pastel resort wear. We call them the bridesmaids. Last season as well, and I like to start with a very positive vibration. I feel that is the responsibility of the one who opens, to set a very positive rhythm to the whole fashion week.
Coming up, a fine balance between classic beauty and elegance. Akara, Mohite and Advitiya by Esha Sethi Thirani.
My inspiration is from, the increasing trend of bachelorette parties that we have for young women. So these girls just want to take exotic vacations, and it's all about fun and fashion. So that's what my collection is all about. It's a lot of fun and a lot of fashion. I think everything is excellent. Everything went off perfectly as I wanted. The makeup, hair, everything, they just executed everything so well. I'm really happy with the entire team. I hope you enjoyed the show, guys.
ride which is modern. They're very precise. They don't want to wear, a lot of embroideries these days. So very minimal embroidery, nice cuts, nice shape of the outfit, and wearable, breathable.
The collection was called Summer Dive. So we used a lot of ombre shading to depict the gradients in the sea, the color gradients. It was a very fun experience. It was our debut collection. We were all very excited. Obviously, we were all very nervous before it all started, but now I think the response to the show has been great and everybody seemed to have loved it. So I'm really happy. I think the models have been very, very cooperative. They're all stunning. They did justice to all my garments. They couldn't have looked better on any other model, I think. They were all fantastic.
My collection is called Bari. It's inspired from the windows of ancient Havelis in Punjab.
I think these colors are very offbeat and they still, look really nice probably in a Sangeet or in a Mehendi party. So yeah, we've used very nice offbeat pastel colors. We've used a lot of natural fabrics like cotton silks, which are very lightweight. So if you have a destination wedding or something in hot Bombay, you can carry it off easily. So we've used very natural fabrics.
And there's one more thing, that our lehengas are also called weightless lehengas. Actually, मैं भाग के शादी कर सकती हूँ उसमें.
It was a fabulous show. I had a lot of fun. It was crazy, nail biting, but amazing. We've done a couple of bikinis, we've done swimsuits, we've done crop tops, and we've done free-flowing things. All the fabrics are cotton, satin, cotton silk, georgettes, embroidery, some neoprene for structured items. Everything, the mood is completely comfortable. They are mostly anti-fits. Anybody and everybody can fit into it.
When it comes to dressing up high fashion in a chic avatar, nothing can be better than a poolside show by the sunset.
Check, test.
Coming up, Hyderabad-based designer Manoviraj Khosla.
I think it was a great show. It was a lot of fun, and I think it was so Goa, and I think that's what the whole intention was, to keep the spirit of Goa alive and, have a fun show out in the open, by the poolside, great music. I think Best Kept Secret did a phenomenal job. Behram, as always, tops it all. I think it was fun. It was, the clothes weren't very serious, and normally people end with like really formal clothes. I actually started with them because I wanted to finish with what Goa is all about, and that's why I kept all the color in the end. There's a fire down below. you know, it was just like a fun palette with men, with women, lots of digital printing, lots of flock printing. And it was a collection which you would sort of wear very easily in a place like Goa for a wedding, for a party, for, you know, whenever you're celebrating anything.
I had a blast. I wish I could have sat right in front, watched the show, but I was watching it from backstage, and I think the energy and the vibe and everything just came through, and I'm really excited. I think it rocked. I'm sure I'm going to be here the next season. I can't refuse Goa, and I think I enjoy doing resort wear. So this is the place for me. I'd love to be back.
It's Indian at the same time. It's very, very comfortable, which is why I'm most times. Obviously, this is a long kurta which actually feels very good, and then down there is a big bunch of dhoti pants. So it's all very cool. It's trendy, yet very Indian, and great for the weather.
You want to have fun at your wedding? Wear a Smita Marwa.
Very cruise wear. I didn't do very casual stuff this time, and it was inspired by these carpets that I went to Kashmir and I saw it, but I moved it to luxurious cruise wear. So I like to see the colors and the carpets and the thali. It's always fun doing resort. Yeah, I love it. It's fun, and coming to Goa is always so much fun. We've been having a blast.
I think it was really fun, and I love my outfit. It's so quirky and completely wearable. There's nothing about it that you can't wear.
Duality in reality that exists, that we are aware of within ourselves, the exterior of our bodies and the soul, which is eternal and tangible. I wanted to translate this beauty of duality that exists in almost every aspect of our lives in the universe. And I wanted to translate that through fabrics which were fluid and hard, structured and, fluid looks together, sort of bodycon and then volume. It was structured and deconstructed.
Showcasing a line which resonates, sharp tailoring teamed with bright prints and solid colors, Tremode presents James Ferreira.
Well, my fabrics are all inspired by Paul Bosley, a very famous iconist who lives in Goa. I had to take out the icons from the paintings because this is India. I would have been killed. So I used the decorative elements of that to create the prints and the colors. And I used the Issey Miyake pleating fabric the first time, which was exciting. enjoy working with Remote. They are really nice people to work with. For me, the most important thing is to have fun. And they were wonderful fun. So it was superb working with them, as is with UV for the Fashion Week. It's fun, and thank you all so much for coming.
As the day comes to an end, the Shock Loose after party themed The Great Gatsby made sure that the team worked hard and partied harder.